G'day guys, Phil from CEA here. Today I'm going to walk you through a couple of our service trailers that we've put together for one of our fantastic customers in Kennards Hire. Let's go take a look. Starting at the front of our trailer, this is where we house our compressor, which operates all of the dispensing equipment that are housed in our service trailer. This area is also bunded, so a lot of guys use this for a little bit of extra storage. You can put your grease containers in there, empty filters, things like that. Anything that you want to be kept out of the way but still nice and secure. This side of our trailer is our 3 fill points for our new oil products, as well as a disposal point for your waste oil. So typically guys will come and drop their filters in here. They're held nice and securely in here. They can't bounce around. They're free to empty out in their own good time while you're traveling to your next site. So here's where all the action happens in one of our service trailers. You've got your 3 new oil product dispensing reels, all metered of course, so you can actually preset your volumes before dispensing. So we have a waste oil reel here, which can also attach to a suction spear so that you can evacuate any vessels that you may have with waste oil. So if you've got drums or other waste oil vessels that you'd like to empty, it's super simple. Connect this onto the quick connect fitting on the end of the hose, put that into your vessel, and everything gets sucked straight into the tank. To reverse this process, once you get back to base and you want to evacuate all the waste oil that you've now got on board, it's as simple as rotating this lever on this 3-way valve and away you go. Now you can start evacuating everything that you've loaded up with. Over on this side is where you'll find all of our dispensing equipment. So it houses our Graco pumping systems, as well as our air filtration for the tanks themselves as well. In the back wall of the front of this service trailer is where you'll find all of our air filter regulators, as well as valving, so that you can increase or decrease the air pressure to any given pump depending on what your requirements are. This is for one of our really great customers in Kennards Hire. These 2 trailers are going to be housed or homed over in Western Australia. One of these is going to be based at the Pilbara, the other one in Welshpool. The idea being that Kennards will now be able to service and maintain any of their equipment that they have out in the field, rather than that having to come back to base to then get serviced. Saves time, saves money, saves on freight as well, which means you can get the job done faster and cheaper with your own service trailer. Thanks for watching guys, see you on the next video.